Kasi I was once also in product, okay, sa conflict.
Miss Maria Sofia Basa. Round of applause, please.
Hello everyone.
So, sino dito yung member of a school organization?
Start with letter F. So, F stands for foster understanding and collaboration. When we try to build relationships with different religions, we need to foster collaboration. So,
I-try ko ng friend, so, kay mama daw. So, minsan lang yung upuan Okay, nakapin. Okay. So, sa amin, sa Islam, meron kami tinatawag. Asa dali?
Youth is the present. Huwag natin masyadong, kasi future malayo pa yun. Let's look at today. Kasi tayo,
ancestral domain, most artisanal and titles. Our identity and dignity as Maranao people lie always in our knowledge.
As we exchange this bracelet of peace, we commit ourselves to fostering understanding and respect among all people, regardless of faith or background. With this gesture, we pledge to stand united in promoting harmony, compassion, and dialogue in our communities and beyond. Together, we will work towards a world where peace prevails through the mutual respect and shared values. And karon ato na
Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Wow. So to build our friendship, because we are working.
And peace, we advocates of peace, dialogue, we are just everywhere around.